Welcome to Junk and Demolition Pros, Dumpster Rentals, and Junk Removal, your premier solution for comprehensive dumpster rental. We specialize in dumpster rental, junk removal, and demolition services, catering to our clients' diverse needs. Our dumpster rental services are designed to accommodate projects of any scale, whether residential, commercial, or industrial. Our commitment to excellence goes beyond just providing dumpsters. We pride ourselves on timely deliveries and prompt pickups, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about waste accumulation. Our team at Junk and Demolition Pros, Dumpster Rentals, and Junk Removal ensures that each dumpster is placed in the most convenient location for easy access and efficient waste disposal. In addition to dumpster rentals, we offer professional junk removal services. Whether clearing out an old attic, removing unwanted furniture, or decluttering your office space, our skilled team will handle the heavy lifting and disposal for you. We strive to make the process as hassle-free as possible, ensuring your space is clean and junk-free. Experience the difference with Junk and Demolition Pros, Dumpster Rentals, and Junk Removal. Contact us today at 425-217-5541 or visit our website at www.junkproswa.com to learn more about our services and to schedule your next project. Let us help you achieve a cleaner, more organized space with our expert waste management solutions.